Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the world of avocados. You might know them as the creamy green delight in your guacamole, but there's so much more to these amazing fruits. First off, let's talk about how avocados grow. Avocados thrive in warm climates, especially in countries like Mexico, the biggest producer. The avocado tree is truly a marvel. It can grow up to 80 feet tall. It takes about 4 to 6 years for a tree to bear fruit, but the wait is definitely worth it. Each avocado starts as a small flower on the tree, and after pollination, it develops into the fruit we love. Now let's get to the good stuff. Why avocados are considered superfoods. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels and can lower your risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Avocados are also packed with fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Just one avocado gives you around 10 grams of fiber. That's almost half of your daily need. And let's not forget the vitamins. Avocados are rich in vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and several B vitamins. Another fantastic benefit is their high potassium content. In fact, avocados have more potassium than bananas. This mineral helps regulate blood pressure, keeps your nerves functioning, and aids muscle control. And if you're looking to boost your antioxidant intake, avocados have you covered. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are crucial for eye health. These antioxidants help protect your eyes from harmful light waves and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't hesitate to grab a few avocados. Your body will thank you. Thanks for tuning in, and stay healthy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.